Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a headband wig for you guys, and I already have my edges done and tied down because y'all know I like to have my edges done when I wear my headband wigs. The wig I'm going to be reviewing today is from Luvme Hair, and they sent me a bunch of stuff with the wig, so I'm just going to dig in the box and show you guys all the things that I got. In this bag, I have the 5 headbands that they sent me to choose from, and I'm just gonna open it up and show them to you guys one by one. First up is this really cute floral yellow one. Then I have this leopard print one that I really love so much. Then this one, which I think is really cute, but I think I already have this color from another wig I got. Then this one that has prints on it like a bandana. Then this final one, which I think may be my favorite of them all because I love anything camouflage. So here I am showing you guys all 5 of them together. I would love to know which is your favorite, so go ahead and leave it down in the comment box below. So in the box, I also got this little zip bag with some other items in there, which I'm going to show you guys real quick. I got a tweezer, a edge brush in there, also some pins, a little clip that says "Love Me" on it. I think that's cute. I also got this elastic band that I could use to adjust my wig if I need to, and I got this edge tie just like the one I'm wearing right now. Also, I got a wig cap which has 2 in it, so yeah, they definitely send me a whole bunch of stuff with my wig. And finally, the beautiful wig which I cannot wait to try on. I already love the way it feels, I love the way it looks, so I know it's definitely gonna look good. So this is the Kinky Straight Headband wig, and it's 18 inches. I also have a discount code for you guys so you could get money off when you make a purchase from them. Before I put the wig on, I blow it out a little, and I did this because it has little bends in it that I don't like from being folded up in the bag for shipping, but I still wanted to have a nice blowout look, so this is the reason why I did blowing out as opposed to straightening, because I didn't want it to be straight. I wanted to keep its natural look. After I was done blowing it out, I went ahead and put some makeup on to reveal the final look. I didn't record this look, but I did make a reel while I was doing it. So now I'm going to put this unit on for you guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how I secure it in the back. First, I pin it all up to get all that hair out my way. Then I use the Velcro strap to secure it in the back. Then I grab the clip in the back of the hair and pin it over the Velcro strap as you see me doing here, so I could hide the straps. Now I'm going to try the leopard print first, and this is how I put it on. Just like that. It's so easy. Now all I have to do is fluff my hair a little bit and I'm ready to go. Okay, let's talk about how great this hair feels, because I know you guys are dying to know. I know it looks really full and you guys may be thinking that it's heavy, but it feels so soft. I could literally just run my finger through it easily, and it's very light on my head. The back of it is gorgeous. It's like that big full head of hair that every girl dreams of. Oh, and as for shredding, I experienced no shredding at all. I'm not even kidding. I don't even know how they do it, but there was no shredding. I gave it a little side parting, and to my surprise, it was so cute. I was so loving it. Y'all know I would love to hear what you think, so go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know if you would try wearing it like this. I did not do too much styling to it, but I definitely did go ahead and try some more headbands because I needed to know which one was my favorite and which one I should keep on tonight with my outfit. Next up, I tried the camouflage, and oh my goodness, I was really loving it. I thought it looked so good with my makeup and it went well with my shirt. I have to say, with all these beautiful headbands they send me, it's so hard to choose a favorite. but I'm really loving this one, so I think I'm gonna go with this one tonight, but I'm definitely gonna be trying more. I couldn't stop touching it. The hair is so soft. I know the next time I wear it, I'm gonna either curl it or go something straight, but I'm definitely gonna switch it up a little bit because I really love it. The final headband I tried on is the one that had the bandana pattern, and it has more white in it, which is really nice. It has black in it that goes well with my outfit too, but I would rather wear this with something of a lighter color, maybe white, and it probably could go with red too, who knows, but I think it's cute just as well as the first two I tried. Anyway guys, let me know down in the comment box which one was your favorite. My favorite was the camouflage, of course. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I want to say a big thank you to Luvme Hair for sending me this unit that I really love so much. Also, remember to use my discount code to get money off your purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!